let's start cooking. Hello, everyone. My name is Sreymom, and this is my daughter Daniela, 5 years old, and I'm from Cambodia, and I live in Ecuador. And today I'm going to show you how to cook Cambodian food. They call steamed lemongrass chicken. Okay, I'm going to show you the ingredient. First, I'm going to show you the fresh chicken, around 5 pounds, and fresh spirit, and fresh paprika and bean. And I already cut the garlic and ginger together, and chili. And you don't need to put chili if you don't like. And here I show you half piece of ginger and 2 pieces of garlic and 2 pieces of chilies. And I'm going to show you the lemongrass. That is the lemongrass. And oyster sauce. And soy sauce. And I have pepper and sea salt. Okay, I'm going to show you prepare the sauce for chicken. First, I'm going to show 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of chili. Still I'm going to make sauce. And so you're going to put oyster sauce. 3 spoons of soy sauce. Oh no, oyster sauce. You mix together. Now 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Mix together. And sea salt, 1 spoon of sea salt. Okay, I'm going to add a sugar, brown sugar. I'm going to cut them a little bit. Brown sugar, yeah. Make it there. Yep. And I'm going to take chicken, put in there, mix inside the chicken. Wrap on the chicken, like this. And put inside. Wrap them around. Yep. Yep. Let's sit about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay, chicken been marinated for 15 minutes. Okay, I'm going to put on the pot with the masala. So I'm going to put the chicken in there and take all the sauce here, put inside. Yep. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit oil on there to make sure you don't want to burn the bottom. See, not a lot, a little bit. Yeah. Close and turn on the stove. Yep. Okay, I'm going to make two sauce. One green onion with ginger and another one lime and pepper sauce. Okay, I'm going to chop a green onion and ginger, meat very small actually. So I will show you how to do it. Ginger and green onion. Okay, I'm going to mix together. Ginger, green onion, yep. Half spoon on sea salt. Mix together. And then you need to use olive oil, good olive oil. Three spoons on it. Mix together. And look at that. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make black pepper lime sauce. Okay, I'm going to show the ingredient. 1.5 ounce ginger, the whole pea of garlic, 2 lime, and 1 chili medium spicy, 1.5 spoons black pepper, 1 spoon of salt, and 2 spoons of sugar. Okay, we cut ginger very fine. Okay, garlic cut very fine. So now we add with the ginger. Yep. Okay. So we add chili to the ginger and garlic. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add the 2 lemon juice. Okay, chicken been cooked for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to add Coca-Cola 1 glass. And you pour on the top of chicken. And then close it, maybe around 20 minutes more going to be done. Okay, 10 or 15 minutes before chicken done, I'm going to add the vegetable, asparagus and spinach. You can add any kind you like broccoli, mushroom, carrot, potato, any kind you want. No pops. We take the juice from chicken, put in the lime pepper sauce. And make them very good.